Have you ever watched a sci-fi movie where a glowing, three-dimensional image floats in the air and wondered, is that even possible? Imagine if you could talk to a loved one across the world, but instead of a video on a screen, they appear right in front of you. What if you could stand in a museum and watch a life-sized historical figure tell their own story? To understand how a hologram projects an image, we first have to understand light itself. Light moves in waves, much like ripples in a pond. When you look at an object, what you're actually seeing is light bouncing off its surface and reaching your eyes. A regular photograph captures only the brightness and color of that light, but a hologram records something much more: the shape, depth, and direction of those waves. This is what makes a hologram appear truly three-dimensional. Creating a hologram starts with a laser. Unlike the scattered light from a lamp or the sun, laser light moves in a perfectly organized beam. This precision allows scientists to capture fine details. The laser is split into two beams. One illuminates the object, and the other acts as a reference. When the light bounces off the object, it combines with the reference beam, creating a unique interference pattern, a kind of fingerprint made entirely of light waves. This pattern is recorded on a special surface, like a piece of film or glass coated with a light-sensitive material. At first glance, the recorded pattern looks like a collection of random wavy lines. But when another laser or even ordinary white light shines through it at just the right angle, something incredible happens. The light reconstructs the original waves that reflected off the object, making it look as if the object is still there. Your brain interprets these waves just like it would in real life, so you see a floating, three-dimensional image, even though there's nothing physically present. If you want to see a simple hologram-like effect at home, you can try a fun experiment. Take a clear plastic sheet, like a piece of an old CD case, and cut it into 4 identical trapezoid-shaped pieces. Tape them together to form an inverted pyramid and place it on your smartphone screen. When you play a special holographic video from YouTube, the image reflects onto the plastic, creating the illusion of a floating, three-dimensional shape. This is based on the Pepper's ghost effect, a trick that has been used for centuries in theater and illusions. Some holograms need special lighting conditions to be seen, while others, like those on credit cards or ID badges, rely on microscopic ridges that scatter light in a way that forms an image. The most advanced holograms, like the ones used in concerts or futuristic displays, are created using digital projection. Instead of recording light waves on film, computers generate them in real time, adjusting them based on the viewer's position. This is how modern holograms can seem to float in the air and shift as you move around them. Although holograms seem like something from the future, they are already shaping the present. Scientists are developing holographic technology for medical imaging, education, and even interactive entertainment. Imagine watching a history lesson where figures from the past stand before you, or playing a video game where characters walk into your living room. So what will holograms be like in 10, 20, or 50 years? What if your next video call felt like the person was truly in the room? What if history came to life before your eyes? The possibilities are endless, and the future is only just beginning.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.